If you want to get a clean video feed out of your Canon C200, you need to turn off OSD, the on-screen display, in the menu. Press the menu button on the camera and scroll along to the fifth menu called Monitoring Setup. Press down on the joystick to access the submenus and scroll along to the fifth submenu where you will find OSD output. Here you simply need to turn OSD output to off. You should now be able to get a clean video feed from the camera, but depending on the setup you're using, you may need to press the display button on the LCD screen to toggle until the clean feed comes through. If we are using the camera for live streaming, we will normally ensure that face detection is also turned off. You can find face detection in the first menu camera setup under the fifth submenu.